SUAPP AIR Color Adjustment. After rendering with SUAPP AIR, you can perform color adjustments. Enter Edit Mode. Click Color Adjustment. Here, you can modify curves, hue and saturation, and levels. Open the Curves panel. First, select a preset style. Then move points on the curve to adjust the brightness of highlights and shadows. Next, open the Hue and Saturation panel. Slide the bars to adjust the overall color tone, saturation, and brightness. You can click the preview at the top right to compare before and after. Open the Levels panel. Slide the bars to adjust image brightness distribution, controlling contrast and exposure. Once finished, click Apply to complete the color adjustment. Besides overall adjustments, you can also adjust colors locally. Enter Edit Mode. Use Quick Select to select the area you want to adjust. Then click Color Adjustment. Select a preset. You can choose to enable or disable the mask. Now, any changes to curves, hues, saturation, or levels will only affect the selected areas. If the boundaries look too harsh, adjust the feathers to blend the edited areas seamlessly with the rest of the image.